Hey, Roblox Bomb. Want to take your Roblox experience to the next level? In today's video, I'll show you how to directly install the Delta Executor on your iPhone or iPad, no jailbreak needed, no PC required. Yep, it's that simple. First, open Safari. Then go to applegear.system.io. I will insert the link on description. Then click the download button and you'll redirect the new website. Click Download. Then click Allow. Then go to Settings. Hit Profile Downloaded. Then click Install. Go to your home screen and click AppleJR icon. Here you can click Direct Install Delta Executor, but you can also install it manually using eSign if the direct link not working on your device. Click Assign Link, then Install. Then go to Settings General, VPN and Device Management, then click Trust on Assign. Go to AppleJR app, click eSign Certificate. Open it with Assign. Unzip the certificate, then open the certificate folder. Select on Certificate HTC and click Import Certificate Management. Then click three dots on the right corner. Then import Codex Executor for Roblox. You can download the API files on AppleGear app. Then click three dots on the right corner. Then import Codex Executor for Roblox. You can download the API files on AppleGear app. Then go to Apps tab, click the Codex icon. Then click Signature and Install. Codex Executor will automatically installed on your device. And there you have it. Codex Executor is now installed and ready to use on your iOS device. No jailbreak, no computer. If this worked for you, drop a like, comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!